I'm about to walk you through exactly how I made $12,000 in just 30 days using a faceless YouTube channel powered by AI tools. You don't need any special skills, fancy equipment, or to even show your face to make it happen. If you're ready to start making money on YouTube, then stick with me. I'm breaking down every single step. What is faceless YouTube automation? Here are some examples of faceless YouTube automation channels. As you can see, faceless YouTube automation is a way to run a YouTube channel without ever showing your face or using your own voice. Instead, you're using AI tools, stock footage, and simple editing to create your content. It's awesome because you don't need a college degree and you don't need to be an expert or have any experience to start. You can do this from anywhere with just a laptop and an internet connection. Plus, it's super budget-friendly since most of the tools we'll use are either free or really cheap. Don't worry if that sounds a little confusing right now. I'll take you through the exact steps for how to create faceless YouTube videos in this breakdown. To give you an overview, we'll be picking a topic for our YouTube channel, using AI to generate video ideas, then writing scripts, turning those scripts into narrations, adding footage, and editing everything to make the final video. The goal is to keep making and uploading videos in your chosen topic until you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, after which you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start getting paid for each of the videos that you upload. Now that you get the idea, let's dive into the step-by-step breakdown. Step 1. Pick a hot niche. The first step is to pick what your channel is going to be about. This part is super important because it sets the direction for all your content. So, how do you pick a niche? First, think about your interests and the things that you know a lot about. If you're super into technology, then you can make your videos on this topic. If you love science, you can make videos about cool scientific facts or experiments. Once you have an idea on the general topic, you can then start to think about focusing on something a little more specific. For example, let's say you love science. Your YouTube channel could be all about chemistry experiments, or it could be about physics and space, or it could be about geological disasters like the craziest earthquakes, tsunamis, and floods. I recommend making a list of your interests and brainstorming subtopics for each interest like we just did with the science example. Once you do that, it's time to do a little research and see if people even want to watch videos on your topic. The aim is to see how popular your niche is and whether it has a growing audience. But before I show you how to do that, what if you don't have interests that you're super passionate about? Or what if you have too many? Well, it's good to know some popular and profitable niches. Some hot faceless niches include history, making money online, personal finance, cryptocurrency, travel, artificial intelligence, and documentaries. These niches are popular, ideal for faceless channels, and have a lot of money-making potential. Right now, one of the hottest niches out there is AI tools for content creators. This niche is blowing up because AI tools like ChatGPT and 11 Labs are becoming more popular every day. Content creators are always looking for ways to save time, create better videos, write better content, and stand out, and AI tools can help with all of that. For today's example, we're going to focus on the AI tools for content creators niche. It's a goldmine because there are so many things you can talk about, like how to use different AI tools, reviews of the best ones, or tutorials on how to make your content better with AI. Step 2. Research what's already working. Once you've come up with some niche ideas, the next step is to do some homework on YouTube. This part is super important because it'll show you what's already working and give you ideas for your own videos. Head over to YouTube and type in some keywords related to your niche. For example, you might search for best AI tools for YouTube, or how to use ChatGPT to write blog posts. Look at recent videos that have tons of views. Those are the ones people are really into at the moment. Watch a few of these popular videos and take note of what you see. Pay attention to the titles they use. Are they promising something specific, like a detailed tutorial? Check out the thumbnails too. Are they bright and catchy? Do they have text on them? Are they using images that grab your attention? And don't skip the comments. This is where people ask questions or suggest topics for future videos, which can give you even more ideas. For an even more detailed breakdown, you can use tools like vidIQ. If you download the vidIQ extension and have that on while you're doing your research on YouTube, you can see more details such as how many views per hour a video gets, how much better or worse the video is performing compared to the channel's average, the vidIQ score, keywords and tags that are being used, and more. You can use all of this information for when you're making and uploading your own videos. No matter which niche you're thinking about, make sure to do the research to see what's out there and what could work well for you. After doing this, you should have a pretty good idea of what's popular, and you can pick a solid topic to kick off your channel. Step 3. Brainstorm video ideas. Aside from doing your YouTube research to come up with even more video ideas, you can use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI tool that can help you brainstorm ideas, write scripts, and even suggest video titles. Let's stick with our example and say you want to make a video about using ChatGPT to create content. You can ask ChatGPT, "Give me some video ideas about using ChatGPT for content creation." It'll then give you a list of ideas based on what's trending and what people are searching for. Pick one that you think looks good. I'll be going for this idea. A great alternative to ChatGPT is Google's Gemini, where you can also type in a similar prompt and get more responses. While you can't trust AI to be 100% accurate, what I love about Gemini is that you can click on this G icon and double-check information with Google search. This is especially important if you need to make videos that are factually accurate, such as in the documentaries or history niche. Step 4. Write the script. Once you've got your video idea, it's time to write the script. If writing isn't your thing, don't worry. You can use an AI writing tool. I'm going to stick to ChatGPT here and ask it to write a script based on the idea that it gave me earlier. ChatGPT will spit out a script that you can tweak to what you want. The script will usually have an intro, main points, and a conclusion. You can add your personal touch by adjusting the tone, including stories, or adding more details. Oh, and if ChatGPT is giving overcomplicated responses, just ask it to write in a simple way. A great alternative AI tool that can help you write your scripts is Claude. You can ask Claude to write a YouTube video script on your chosen topic and give any details that you like. Claude is pretty good at adding that human touch, so if your niche and video style needs some personality, then this is a pretty good alternative to ChatGPT. Step 5. Create a voiceover. Now that your script is ready, it's time to turn it into a voiceover. If you don't want to record your own voice, you can use 11 Labs, which is an AI tool that generates professional-sounding voiceovers. First, sign up for a free 11 Labs account if you don't have one. Once you're in, upload your script. You'll get to choose from different voices, male, female, and different accents. Pick one that fits the vibe of your video. Click Generate, and within seconds, you'll have a voiceover ready to go. It's that easy. Another great option is Murph. This is quite similar to 11 Labs, but I recommend checking it out because there might be a voice on here that's even better for your channel. Another alternative I'll give you is Play HT. Definitely check out all three and see what works best for you. That goes for all the tools that I'm talking about in this video. The key is to experiment before deciding the best set of AI tools for you and doubling down on a set process. Step 6. Put together the visuals. Now that you have your voiceover, it's time to get some visuals. For this, you can use Leonardo AI, an awesome image generator. For example, if your video is about using ChatGPT, you could generate images of someone typing on a laptop, futuristic AI graphics, or anything else that fits your topic. Just type in a description of what you want, and Leonardo AI will create it for you. GenCraft is another cool AI image generator similar to Leonardo AI that you can check out. To make your video even more engaging, mix these AI-generated images with stock footage from sites like Pexels and Pixabay. For example, we can find clips of someone writing or typing. Step 7. Edit everything in a video editor. Now that you've got your voiceover and visuals, it's time to put everything together in a video editor. If you're somebody who's already into video editing, then you can use more advanced software like Adobe Premiere Pro. If you're a beginner, then I recommend CapCut. CapCut is a free, easy-to-use video editor that's perfect for this kind of project. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import your voiceover and visuals, and then arrange the visuals to match what's being said in the voiceover. You can add transitions between clips to make everything flow smoothly. CapCut also lets you add text overlays, which are great for emphasizing key points or adding extra context. I definitely recommend playing around with everything on CapCut to get a feel of it. You can add copyright-free music, cool transitions and effects, and so much more. Once you've edited everything the way you like, play back the video to make sure it looks good. If everything checks out, export the video, and you're one step closer to going live on YouTube. Step 8. Design a thumbnail. Thumbnails are super important because they're the first thing people see. A good thumbnail can make all the difference in whether someone clicks on your video or not. For this, we'll use Canva. Canva is a free design tool that's super easy to use. Start by picking a YouTube thumbnail template that fits your video's style. Upload one of the images you created with Leonardo AI and add some text on top like ChatGPT wrote this in bold, bright letters. Play around with the colors and fonts until you've got something that really pops. If you're somebody who's more experienced with graphics, then you can design your thumbnail from scratch in Adobe Photoshop. Step 9. Upload your video to YouTube. With your video and thumbnail ready, it's time to upload to YouTube. Go to your channel, click Upload Video, and select the video file. While it's uploading, add your thumbnail, a catchy title, and a description. In the description, explain what your video is about and include some keywords like ChatGPT for writing blog posts, AI tools, or make money online. You can use the keywords that you researched earlier or which VidIQ recommends. These keywords help people find your video in search results. Step 10. Keep uploading and start earning. Once your video is live, you're officially in the game. Keep making and uploading videos regularly. As your channel grows and you hit YouTube's requirements, you can start making money from ad revenue. The more videos you post, the more chances you have to earn, and before you know it, you could be making thousands of dollars a month. Just like I did. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more like this.